Good morning, YouTube. So shit, today, this morning, it's 9:47. I'm about to head to Greensboro, meet dude to trade my wheels. I know I ain't give y'all time to respond, but I posted them on market page, and I got somebody that want to trade me some wheels. Yeah, we got them things stuffed in the back. I think I'm gonna regret trading these wheels. Yeah, I think I'm gonna regret trading my wheels. We're gonna see. Let's go meet. Yeah, the plan was to wake up at like 9:50, get dressed and shit and leave. Cause I thought I was I put the address in to meet him when I was at work. So shit, that made me like a 20-minute less of a ride. But shit, that bitch an hour 20. And we was supposed to meet at 11. So it's said I'm gonna get there at 11. He be alright, shit. He can wait. Yeah, he can wait. He be alright. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all stay tuned throughout the ride. Yeah, them things right there, man. I really feel like I'm gonna regret trading my wheels, but I ain't paid but $400 for them. Paid $400 for them, but shit, put new tires. Got one of the wheels fixed. So all together, I probably had maybe $1,000 invested in them. That's a lot, but I paid $400 for them. $400 for a set of $3,000 wheels. Goddamn wheels got me sitting up like a grandpa and shit, nigga. Short nigga, I still like to be laid back. I'm sitting up straight as hell. I know my back will be hurt when I get out this man. Damn, I ain't riding back like that. Fuck that. Sitting up straight as hell. Fuck. Alright, pulling up now. Tell me where he was at in the parking lot. He just said he was here. So yeah. Let me test that. Yeah, so I just checked my message. He's talking about he in front of Sam's Club. How the fuck would you go over there and it's all this goddamn space over here? I don't be understanding people. You gonna go over here buy the gas pumps. Stupid. Well, I tell you, man. Let me call this bitch. I still don't know it yet. Let's see. Yo.
Yo.
Hey, you said in front of the gas pumps?
Yeah.
What kind of car you on?
I'm on gray Honda Accord. Are you ready here?
Yeah, I'm here.
What kind of car do you have?
It's like a blue Kia Optima.
Blue Kia.
Yeah, I'm in front of the pumps. Well, I'm behind them, and I don't see you.
I'm gonna send you a picture.
All right.
All right.
See, now y'all see what I was talking about. Why the fuck would you park near the pumps when it was all that room over there? And I really don't see his ass, bro. My fuck be doing slow ass shit. Piss me off, bro. Do this fucking picture look like anywhere but near the pumps? He said that bitch way on the other side of the parking lot, bro. Talking about behind the pump. Come on, man. That's why he. Boy, I tell you what, people on Facebook be slower than a motherfucker, man. Let's see what the fuck this nigga. He way the fuck over here. That is not behind the pumps. Stupid motherfucker. Yeah, I take back everything I said about bro. He was cool, you know what I'm saying? Say he didn't speak that much English, but shit, I understood what the hell he was talking about. But yeah, I will show y'all the wheels. I feel like for the trade that I did, won't too bad, man. These wheels, they might look good on my car. I hope they look good. If they don't, then back to marketplace they go. I might get y'all a little sneak peek. That's all y'all get right there. Know how it be when you get something new, something different. You be like excited Ready to just try it on, put it on, ride it, do whatever you want to do with it. Yeah, but I'm trying to goddamn get back to the crib real quick. Put the wheels up beside the car, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna put them on today. Gotta see if I can get me a nap in before work. Probably not gonna happen. I'm probably up, but hey. Oh shit. I'm in the goddamn turning lane. Damn, I'm in the turning lane. I need to get over. Alright, I'm about to get over. Fuck nigga. My fault. Wait a minute. Hold on, I'm tripping. I'm tripping out here, bro. Hold on. Yeah, I'm tripping. Alright, y'all, so I lied and said I was gonna wait to put the wheels on. Took them out the trunk, out the back seat of the Kia. And I'm like, shit, these bitches look too good not to try on. So I'm gonna try this rear wheel on, cause this tire is way fatter than what mine was. That's how fat. I think it's 280, 285, I think. Yeah, 285, man. I had 255, so that bitch a little bit wider. I'm gonna test fit this one wheel, and if I decide, well, if it fits without rubbing anything, then I'm gonna go ahead and throw all the rest of them on. Cause the front tires are the same as my last tire. So yeah, I'm gonna test fit this rear wheel. Yeah, test fit this rear wheel. See how it go. I think that, oh man, it might be too wide. We might have to go with some different tires. Let me see. Yeah, not gonna be able to run these tires. Dang. Yeah, can't run them bitches. Fuck. Yes, I'll probably, damn, that bad boy wide as hell, man. Damn, that's a heartbreaker. But yeah, can't run those tires, so I'm probably gonna have to go with I could roll my fender, but it ain't that serious. I'll just get small tires. Yeah. Dang. I'm not gonna give up. Put this socket right here, right? I'm gonna try to roll that bitch. Still not a good idea because it's gonna rub either way. But I'm gonna see if I could roll that up in the inside a little bit so I can see tire on top of it. Well, the fender's on top of that bitch. My car really supposed to be lower, so the tire's holding it up anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna crank the car up, see if I can roll that back. See if we get a little more space out of that motherfucker. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. You seen what it did. Look at that cleanse now. But that popped out right there, damn. We're gonna get that bitch right. Try again. Might just go get me a roll or two. Yeah, I probably just had to get a roller too, but see how much lower it got when I did that little rolling, because it was sitting, the wheel was sitting, well, the fender was sitting on the wheel. She done tucked up under there now, but that ain't gonna be no good, man. I'm gonna have to, get me a tube, or like I said, go down and tire side. That bitch look good, look at that. Yeah, so I got both wheels on now. She look good, bro. She look good. Front fit perfect, but the fucking rear, goddamn rear. We're gonna roll that fender though. We're gonna keep them tires. Oh shit, we're gonna burn the rubber off them motherfuckers, if anything. Look at that. That bad boy, good. All right, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna try to roll the fenders. If that don't work, then yeah, I'm gonna go down in the size. Probably go to a 265. Yeah, cause that 285, that be beef. And bro had these on the Hondo core. I see why you want to trade. Or you could just grab ball peen hammer and hit that bad boy up in the inside. Now we good. She ain't rubbing. Yeah, man. I don't need to get a roller when you got a ball peen hammer, man. And she tucking. Let me do the other side, y'all.
I have a little chip paint, but ain't no leak. Look at that, knock it off. Let me see if I can another way.
Yeah, man, that's how you do it. You beat your car to save money and stop buying from tires. Stop buying tires. Just hit it a little bit with the hammer. Damn. Gotta go way to the back to get the tire. All right, hold on. We'll be right back. Fitment don't get no better than it, huh? Don't get no better than it. Ain't even had to roll. Oh, she close on this side. Might stick that socket up in there. Get a little more space. Oh, yeah, get a little more space. You know what I'm saying? She close, but shit, she ain't gonna take no meat off the tire. But yeah, I got all 4 wheels on. Bitch look clean, man. All she need now, good old camper the front. Camper the front a little bit. Shit, give me another alignment. Paint this bitch soon. About time for it. Look at that shit. Sun peel and all this. Yeah, man. About time for them to paint, y'all. Y'all see it. Y'all see that bad boy. 10.5 in the back. 9.5 in the front. With the fat boys on the back. 285, what, 285, 35? No, 285, 30. In the front, we got, what we got, 245? Yeah, 245, 35, you know what I'm saying? Got a little more height in the front, but shit, yeah. We good, right? I'm satisfied. It was worth the trade, you know? It was worth it. Might take it up the road, see how she ride. ride good. You know? I did hear it scrape a little bit when I pulled out the driveway, but hey, it'll roll the rubber off, you know? Ain't no biggie. We get the full turn out of that bad boy. Of course we do that. Yeah, man, we might be good to go. Shit. I can honestly say that I'm satisfied, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad I traded those wheels, you know? I'm glad after out there, you know what I'm saying, roll my own tires, you know what I'm saying, with the hammer and shit, we good to go, bro. Yeah, I'm satisfied about the trade. Might change my color on the brake calipers. They're like a teal color or something like that. Might do red or something. But yeah, I'm satisfied with the trade. At first I thought I was gonna regret it. Nah, no regrets. I forgot, I know I said in the last video, you know what I'm saying, wear your gloves and shit. But I was just too excited to wear my shit. My hands dirty as hell. It's all right. Take me a shower before I go to work anyway. I just knew I was gonna get me a nap in. I knew better than that anyway. I don't even know how I thought that shit. But yeah, wheels on the car. I probably, like I said, I do want to camper the front. Damn, sound like horse. Nigga look good as hell. So nah, but yeah, do want to camper the front of that junk though. Probably take it somewhere, probably like next week, later on in the week or something like that. Go get an alignment, see if they could camper the front as well. And yeah, clean it up, get some pictures of it, post some Instagram here. But yeah, that's it for y'all today.